Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install the web services in Windows 22 server in Amazon EC2 instance. So in the last video, we created one Windows 22 server. Okay, you have seen that. So next step, I'm going to install the web services on this computer. Web services on this computer. So what we need to do before installing the web services, okay, so make sure in this server internet should be, whether it is accessible or not, we need to check in the Edge browser. So can you please check the internet web server, okay, sorry, internet browser, that is called Microsoft Edge, whether it's working properly or not, we need to check that. So now open the Edge browser. Now can open the new tab and you can check the Google or YouTube, anything, whether it is pages browsing or not, we need to check that. Perfect. Internet is working fine. So now minimize. Next, I'm installing the web services role on Windows 22 server. So carefully you can go to start. Okay. In the start menu, we have a server manager option is there. Please click on server manager. Please click on server manager. So the server manager is only available in the server operating system, which is not available in the desktop OS like Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10 and 11. So now in this server manager, leave it for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. So the backend, the program will get start and then once you can ready, you can please click on add roles and features. You can install the web server. Now once you click on add roles and features, see still it is a inventory, the data is collecting. So please wait for some time. Now this is the a page you'll get. Click on next. This is a default option. Click on next. So this is a default option. Please click on next. Now in the server role section, we are going to select the web server role, internet information service role we are going to install. That is a web server role we need to select here and click on next, 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 install. That's only one role you need to select and install it. This will take a minute to install. Once installation is done, your web server is ready with a default page. With the default page will get ready. See guys, the web server role is installed. Close it here and close this server manager console also. That's it. Now you can minimize this server. Now can go back to the instances. Now in this server, web server role is installed successfully. But how can access? So again come back to this. So in this server, web server is installed, web role is installed, IIS role is installed. Okay, IIS role is installed. Huh? But if you want to connect the web page, how you are connecting? www.website name. But right now website is not purchased, but we can access this server through IP address. So you can go here, select, copy the public IP address and go to the new tab and you can paste here and hit enter. But problem is, whenever you type any IP address or name, that will starts with HTTP. So that is a protocol. So now we need to allow, we need to allow HTTP protocol here. HTTP protocol. What is the port number? 80. 80 we need to allow. HTTP port number we need to allow here. So that's why page cannot be reached. So please go back to the instances, select that security group, inbound rule, edit inbound rule. Already 3389 is there. We can add one more port that is called HTTP. Connect from anywhere, save the rule. Now port number 80 is successfully configured here. Now we can browse this page. The page is working now. Guys, you can access this IP address on your browser, on your mobile or your desktop, laptop, and let me know this page is working or not. This web page is working or not. You can please check. 13.215.189.121. You please type this IP address on your browser and share your status, please. Garima, Sanjana, Ram. I need at least 3-4 people. You need to browse it and you can tell me.
Yeah, Rajesh, I'm able to see.
Perfect answer. Perfect. 2 more people, please. Ranganath. Perfect, brother. Varun Tej. Altaf. Garima, are you there? So if you want, I can give you the address on the chat. So please click the link directly. Perfect, guys. So now there's a small change. Instead of this a default page, can we host the website? Some sample page? Huh? So go to the server again. Now I'm in the server. There's a 2022 server. Okay. Now we have already browser in place. Now we can type a free HTML templates. Free HTML templates are there. This is a website. You can go to the website. No, free websites are available. We can download any one of the website and we will copy it to the our server. I can take some one of the web page. Okay, I'll take this website. I'll download it. I will download this page. See, which is downloaded in the server. Now open this folder in the download. Now this folder is down, this zip file is downloaded. Now I right click, extract all. This complete web page, the templates, everything will be there. Perfect. Huh? This is a web page. Now I'm copying this entire web content. Control C, copy. Go to this PC, C drive, inetpub, www root. This is a default page is there. Now I don't want this. I am deleting this. I'm pasting whichever the web page content I downloaded. So now guys, you please come back to this. Now can refresh it. The beautiful web page is ready now. You please check that. Yes. So let me stop the record. Okay. Let me stop the record.